The third topic is search for a case law. So it is important for the lawyer is not only to know the law but also to know how to find the law. A good lawyer uses several methods of locating case, but the most useful amongst them are. So here we are going to see the methods from which we can search a specific case law for our cases. So first is the statute approach. So under this method, the relevant case law is found by searching for cases under the relevant rule, regulation or order. The approach is mainly based on commonly used words, phrase and headings. Like this, there are 4 methods. So the question is asked that write the methods which are used to search for a case law. So first is statute approach. Second is subject or a topic approach. This approach is an easy and convenient method for finding cases. It is used where the law is not codified. It is also very useful for locating cases under the codified law like the Indian Contract Act or the Indian Penal Code. Third method is case method approach. If one known case on a point is in a question is available, other cases can easily be traced following their citation. Search on internet. Fourth is the search on internet. This is the latest and the most high-tech method used by a lawyer to locate case. One has only to go to the legal sites like Lakeside, Manupatra, Legal Pundits, then the Law for India, Ind Laws or Vakil number 1. So here we have seen the 4 methods which are used when we have to search a case law.